Welcome to LED light bulb sales. Today we review a 150 watt grow lamp. As you can see, I'm now in a room which is actually quite dark, but I'm just going to throw the switch on the grow lamp and we can see the amount of light that it will actually emit. Now very quickly the lamp has come on. And video won't do it justice because these bulbs are so bright. But basically we have a combination of red and blue bulbs, and if I just point up towards the ceiling here, you can see how well it's actually lit up the room. On the unit there are plenty of aerations. You can just about see those aeration holes there, and they're on all four sides of the actual unit. And at the base of the unit we have three good sized fans that are, I wouldn't say perfectly quiet, you can probably hear, but nonetheless they are very quiet. The actual amount of heat that's emitted from within this panel, but it's not a massive heat source, and my hand has to be very close to it, but I would imagine over time that in an enclosed area that would generate some heat, although not a significant amount of heat. So I'll turn this off, and hopefully you've got a good glimpse of the LEDs there as the unit shut down. And what you can see on the screen now is, although we're in a very dark room, there is a slight light source, and this is a reflector on the back of the unit. Now we have some normal light. We can have a closer look at the actual unit itself. So as I say, this is a 150 watt unit, and it's not massive in its size, I have to say that. Looking at it overall, the dimensions are 40 centimeters by just a tad over 23 centimeters there, and that's the actual whole unit size. And then if we look at the actual screen area, we're looking at 30 centimeters by some 12 centimeters. So it's not a massive unit, but it emits 150 watts of light, so we should be very pleased with that. As I said previously, the whole case is well ventilated on all four sides, and we have the three fan units at the back. Now, one quibble that I might have with this, and it would be a very small quibble, is the actual power source supply coming in at the top here. If we look at that carefully, we can see it's nothing more than the old styly kettle sort of fitting, and it plugs straight into the back. But of course, as this unit is hung, and there are four hanging eyelets within the unit, and the unit is supplied with metal cables, but as it hangs, obviously the power source is going to come out of the top, so we need a top supply for the power source, otherwise the cable will drape down beside the unit, and that's not the best thing that we actually would want. With regard to the actual power supply lead, it's not great. It's about 1 meter in length, and you can just about see that there now. So all in all, this looks to be a very well made, solid, sturdy metal, powder coated, with a good well, it's a plastic cover really, but it seems to be very strong plastic cover, as you can hear now. And for the specification of the bulbs and number of bulbs, see the rest of the review. Thanks for watching.